Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi! Today is day number 17. It's day 17. It's day number 17. And let's see what our Bird and Blend calendar has in store for us today. I cannot hardly wait. All right, today, okay. Today's is called mince pie. Nothing quite says Christmas like a classic minced pie. Our ingredients are Sri Lankan black tea, cinnamon, almond in bold letters, all caps, bold letters, almond pieces, orange peel, red cornflowers, and natural flavoring. This one contains nuts, so if you have a nut allergy, please stay away from this. It is a black tea base. We brew for 4 minutes. Can be used with or without milk. All right, so that's a lot of cornflowers in there. Let's put this one back. And as we are at day 17, I just want to look at how much of everything is turned. We don't have that much more until Christmas. I mean, that only makes sense. It's what, 7 days? All right, anywho's, this tea, you can see those orange pieces and the black tea and all those cornflowers, and there are like slivered almonds in it. Not slivered. It's pieces of almonds. Anyway. All right, so let's plop this in a cup. Doesn't have much of a smell at all. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, starting now.
Okay. We'll put our cup there. Flip our timer over. All right. If this is your first time at the channel, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that you are coming by to see what kind of fun stuff we have in our Advent series this year. If you have come back to see what kind of fun stuff we have, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it as well. My name is Linda. I am a mostly self-taught potter, and I have a pretty significant hot tea addiction, as we have been able to figure out. If you are new here, you can check out the other 500 videos that I talk about tea in. I am unbelievably excited about our Advent series that we have this year. Last year we did 4 calendars, and that was a lot. Oh my God, that was a lot. And this year I was only planning on doing 1. But let's face it, I'm me and I enjoy tea. And so we have 4 that we're doing this year. Hey Siri, stop timer. Okay, so our 4-minute timer has elapsed. Let's give this a couple of little floopy doodles. I don't know, looking for weird names for stuff. All right, we'll put that in there. So for a black tea base, it's a little bit lighter than I would expect, but it does have those classic colors that I associate with a black tea. It does not appear that there's any particulate. It is clear. You can see through it. The smell is very interesting. And I have absolutely forgotten what this one is called. Minced pie, that's right. Minced pie. It smells more like a fruitcake to me. this tastes like my memory. And that sounds really weird. Now, I realize that a pie would be different than a fruit cake, but I'm just thinking about the innards. this tastes like a fruit cake to me. Well, actually, it tastes better than a fruit cake. It kind of tastes, and this, if you're a Texan, you'll know this. It tastes kind of like one of those Collins Street bakery fruit cakes. If you're gonna have a fruit cake, and it's a commercial one, the Collins Street Bakery is probably the best one that you'll have. Because I haven't tasted one better than that except for my grandma's. And, you know, we haven't had any of those in 20 some odd years since she's passed. But this is... this is a cup of memories. But you put some blackberry alcohol on it, and okay, so yum. Yeah, if you're waxing nostalgic and missing your grandma's, and she used to make an incredible fruitcake, this is that in a cup for me. Alrighty, well, thanks for coming by and having a cup of tea with me today. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna turn the camera off and go cry real quick, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, did you enjoy the content today? I really hope so. If you did, think about subscribing and see how many more times I can cry on camera.